What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've been on. Life has just been really busy, and I apologize for not getting to you sooner. I've had this camera for a while. I've been playing with it, and what can I say? It's time to do a review. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in a different spot. I've been trying to shoot this several times and had some technical difficulties with some of the new gear I'm trying out. I've got some new mics that I'm trying out here to see if I can get some better audio for you guys, and it didn't work out the last 4 times, so we'll see if we can't get it right this time. So the Akaso V50, what's my impression of it? I love it. Some of the new things that you'll notice on this waterproof housing are that it no longer has that round bezel on the lens. This square one will allow you to do some different things. Some of the accessories aftermarket that clamp to this, like the ones that will hold a 52mm photography filter. They have, they have come out with a larger battery, so you're gonna have a lot more shoot time with this new battery. Alright, so one of the things you'll notice right off the bat is right on the bottom you have a insert here. So rather than having to take this camera out when you're not putting it in the waterproof housing and sticking it in one of those really big plastic holders, you now can directly screw on that male adapter right in the bottom there, and you're good to go. Another great thing they've done is they've now included the hinged battery door. We have got a power and record light on the front. The shutter release is lit up. You've got another one on the back and another one on the bottom, which, I mean, that's just awesome. So video resolution, you can shoot 4K at 30 frames, 2.7 at 30, 1080 at 60, and 720 at 120. One of the new things that they've included in here is for the video encoder, you can shoot in H.264 or H.265. So depending on what your needs are, that gives you a little bit more flexibility. So do a little research on that, and there are plenty of videos out there on YouTube that can help you out with that. Image stabilization is included in this. I always leave that on. You can shoot time-lapse videos, or you can shoot them in the photography setting. You will notice a little bit of flickering in the day to night sunset one I shot. That is not the camera. That is indicative of anytime you do a night to day or day to night time lapse, you're gonna get that. It's just part of every camera. I mean, even if I do this on my Nikon, the meter is really precise, but not precise enough from shot to shot. There will be just a little bit of difference between the shots, and you'll see it's just a little bit of strobing, and that's, hey Panini, and that is going to happen no matter what camera you got. You can get some apps or computer programs to minimize that. I'm just not that good with them yet. Another new thing we got here is wind noise reduction, so I'm definitely going to turn that on. You also have a driving mode on here like some of their other cameras. Now, one of the really cool things here for the photographers out there is you get a 20 megapixel shot out of this thing. You can also adjust your ISO from 100 all the way to 3200 ISO, which is pretty amazing for a little camera. Time lapses, you can shoot anywhere from 3 seconds all the way up to a 60-second shot per interval. And then you can also adjust your shoot time on that, do it manually or have a set time. So you want to do like a 10-minute time lapse, set that, go drink a beer, come back, and it's done. Burst photo, you can do 3 shots in 1 second, 7 shots in 2 seconds, 15 shots in 4 seconds, or 30 shots in 8 seconds. You have a delay timer on here. Another thing you have that's new is long exposure. So you can shoot anywhere from 1 second all the way up to a 60-second exposure. So go on out there, try it out, let me know what you think. And one last thing, if you are a scuba diver, go with the Brave 4. It does have the built-in digital, really, red filter. So you don't have to carry any filters with you. But if you're not interested in scuba diving, I totally would recommend going with the V50. It's got so much, both great cameras. If you like what you saw here, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and definitely comment. I'd love to hear from you guys, and we will see you soon.